Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskreutz with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and this is the 6th video in my current series on managing bank feeds. And today's topic is working with batch entry tools. And as you can see, I'm in the Kathy Bookkeeping test file. And when I'm talking about batch entry tools, I'm talking about if you have more than one transaction selected, then you can do some things in bulk. And primarily I'm going to focus on the accept and the update. Now I did talk about the exclude button in a previous video. So all those links will be in the playlist that I created for bank feeds. So be sure to check that out. But in the meantime, we're going to talk about basically doing some batch entry of transactions and assign payees or categories where we might need to do so. So let's say we're going to scroll down here and we're in the checking, no, we're actually in the savings account, excuse me, we're in the savings account up here. Let me show you, yeah, we're in the savings account up here. And let's say we've got a bunch of deposits here that we're just going to assume that these are categorized correctly, but they need payee names assigned to them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start with this one dated 2/11/2022. And go down here and hold down shift and check the one that's dated 4/15/2022, and that will select all those in bulk. And when you do that, you'll notice that the menu up here will appear. Now, I have mentioned this in an earlier video, but I think that the update button should go before the accept button, but that's neither here nor there. You can submit your feedback to Intuit. Maybe they'll change it, maybe they won't. But if everything is as it needs to be, then you can go ahead and accept these in here. But we're not going to do that because they're all missing payees. And that's one of the things that I tell people when they're working in the bank center is that you need to make sure you assign a payees to every single one of these. So what we're going to do is we can do that in bulk. So we're going to go ahead and click on this update button here. Okay, and so basically there's 3 things that you can do, well 4 things you can do in here. You can actually change the transaction type if you had to. Say for instance, if you had some transactions that come through that are marked as transfers, but they're really not transfers, then you can go ahead and change it from transfer to a deposit in this case, because this is money coming in, so we could switch that to deposit. We don't need to do that for this particular set of transactions, but we do need to assign a payee. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and list out a payee, and I can't remember the name. Here we go, it's Complete Business Services. So that's the name we want to assign to this group of transactions. We can also update the categories in all of these in one sitting. We are assuming that these are correct. We can also assign tags if we have tags set up, and we can do that here, but we're not going to do that here. And that's a whole nother topic, so we're not even going to get into that. So basically all we're doing is we're going to update the payee to Complete Business Services. Now, once you've done all the updates that you're going to do for this group of transactions, you have 2 other things that you can do. You can go ahead and click on apply, and what that will do is that will take you back to the main menu here, so that way you can see where it inserted all those payees into those transactions. You can also go ahead and click on apply and accept, and what that will do is that will insert those payees, and it will remove everything out of for review and into categorize, but we don't want to do that yet. I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. When we click on apply, you can see that it inserted those payees. It didn't mess with any of the categories here, and everything's still check marked here. So now that we've done that, and I suggest that if you're going to be using this bulk categorization of this kind of thing, then you want to go ahead and do the apply first. That way you can eyeball it and see if it looks correct to you, and then you can go up here and click on accept. And that's what we're going to go ahead and do here. And as you can see, those transactions are no longer in there, and then you're ready to do the next grouping of transactions as necessary. So anyway, that's basically all I have to show you today. So I hope this will be helpful to you. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day, and we will see you very soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks Desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks Desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks Desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.